Hello everyone. Uh, Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to this live session. Okay. Before discussing further, I would like to know whether I'm audible. Okay. Let me know if you find any difficulty in watching my live session. Okay. And 1 second, I will check the audio. Okay, so if there are any issues, just let me know through the chat. Okay, the purpose of this live is I'm not giving any specific plan for that. This is just for question and answer session. Okay, and I would like to do it frequently because in that YouTube channel, I'm uploading a lot of videos, mostly latest science and technology news videos. I have more than around 66,000 subscribers. Okay, but the thing is, I couldn't understand what kind of subscribers I have, right? Because initially I just when I started this channel in the year 2009, I used it for sharing my understanding about software testing, that kind of purpose, and then I uploaded a lot of trending topics related videos like Google Doodles, that kind of stuff. Okay, and then only I started taking this as a serious a business option, and then I started uploading latest science and technology news videos here. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is I just use this channel for various purposes in the long run. Okay, but mostly I'm trying to primarily use it for giving latest science and technology news, and as I explained previously in many instances, I'm just trying to use it as a bridge for connecting the scientists and business people. I have taken a lot of initiatives. Recently, I talked about QPT Talks, my initiatives, and I arranged a guest to, I think, 2 3 sessions to talk about it. Okay, but I don't get more welcome kind of stuff for that kind of initiatives. Okay, so at just thought of exploring various other things. So what I'm trying to say is I'm just having a lot of plans. I'm just trying to do a lot of different things, and as I said in my previous videos and even in the blog post, I'm just trying to uh, completely switching my career from software development kind of businesses into running YouTube videos, not only YouTube videos, based on that initiative. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is instead of just uploading some videos and just getting some views, and again uploading trending topics video just for the purpose of getting views, so instead of going in that way, I would like to understand about subscribers deeply. Okay, and uh, and then I'm planning to arrange my plans. Okay, so as a first step, I would like to have frequent this kind of live discussions. I used to hesitate these kind of live discussions without any specific topic. Okay, but since I understand the need for doing that, I'm just taking this initiative. I would like to do it in different time zones because to cover various viewers from various countries. Based on my YouTube analytics, I could understand that my viewers are coming from different countries. Okay, so I would like to do it in different timings. Okay, um, but when I decide to talk about any specific topic, maybe I can schedule any kind of live session in that particular case. Okay, but this kind of general Q&A kind of live, I would like to do it in random timing whenever I have free time. Okay, that is the overview about this live session. Okay, and uh, actually, I would like to first start with my uh, like uh, ebook about interesting innovations in emerging technologies. Recently, I published that ebook. Okay, actually, a few weeks back, I published as a blog post in my blog by listing lot of interesting innovations in emerging technologies. Actually, I made that blog post based on my YouTube videos. I gone through uh, technology news related videos, and then I picked some innovations based on their views, likes, and other impacts, discussions, other things. So, and I listed it in that blog post, and then I thought of listing as a ebook. Okay, actually, I was thinking about publishing an ebook about emerging technologies for many years. Okay, actually, I talked about in separate video in detail about it. You may go through that. Okay, uh, but I don't have enough time to do that. So finally, I thought of publishing a simple ebook about emerging technologies just by highlighting the interesting innovations. Okay, so I just added more content to that blog post and published as a ebook. Okay, and you can find it in Amazon. Okay, and for promoting that ebook, initially I'm running free promotions. Actually, I enrolled it into Kindle, that KDP Select program. So they are offering to run it for free for some days. Okay, so if you are interested to read it or get it for free, you can just uh, do it now. Okay, um, so that offer will be ending very soon. Okay, um, you can find the link in the community tab of my channel. Okay, I just to check the community tab, and you can find the links. Actually, apart from that ebook, I'm providing some other ebooks also for free. Okay, I provided that links in that community tab post. Okay, so you can just go through the community tab and you can find various links for downloading the various ebooks freely. Okay, some ebooks are free, for many days. That Amazon Kindle, that ebooks, they're like uh, that promotion will be ending very soon. Okay, um, actually, they're offering 5 days already. A few days completed, so mostly it will be ending by today or tomorrow. Okay, so just if you are interested, just uh, get it free when the offer is available, and refer this offer to your friends also. Okay, and if you like this ebook, and if you find it useful, and if you feel that it can help the people to understand what's happening in the emerging technologies world, just to share your thoughts as a review comments in the Amazon page. Okay, um, actually, that the primary purpose of that ebook is for it is primarily for uh, promoting this channel. Okay, that is that's temporary goal. Okay, but as I explained previously, my long term goal is connecting the business people and the scientists. So that case, I will be adding more chapters in the coming days. Okay, or I may be providing some other ebooks. Okay, so that is different story, but this one is mostly for giving exposure about this YouTube channel. Okay, even I too surprised about that videos available in that channel. Okay, actually I am running it for many years, right? So I could find a lot of innovative uh, things in that videos. Okay, even though I created that videos, I forgot most of the things. Okay, when I go through that videos, most of the innovations are really amazing. Okay, and I listed them in the ebook. You can go through it, and I, mostly I used to provide the research paper link in the description of the videos, and even I used to provide the news source link also. So basically, you can get exposure about that innovation. So if you are a research student, you can know about other already existing researchers in detail. And if you are a scientist, you to understand like what is happening in your field. And for business people, it will be very useful to know about innovations, and they can try to create their business or expand their business based on the products. They can contact the scientist to get that product, and they can include it in their business profile. Okay, so there are various opportunities available. That is what I'm trying to do. As I explained previously many times, I'm just seeing a significant gap between the science world and the business world. I would like to make use of that gap. I mean, I would like to see this gap as an opportunity to do some kind of business, right? So as a first step, I'm just using this channel, okay, for giving new innovations, news, okay. And I'm earning from advertisements, so it's a first step. I would like to do a lot of different things. uh, as one way of achieving that, I'm exploring this ebook option, okay. So uh, I believe it can temporarily it can help me to get more exposure to uh, my YouTube channel, okay. And then in the long run, if I'm able to add more useful content to the ebook, maybe I can promote it heavily through paid advertisements. That is different story, okay. So as a first step, this is a very simple ebook, so I'm just trying to make it available for free so that you can reach more people, and it can help me to promote to my YouTube channel. Okay, actually, that is what I'm trying to say. Actually, my channel, when I is having a lot of lot of videos. Even I was surprised when going through old videos for getting content for the ebook. Okay, so it's having a lot of useful and the key thing is they're somewhat reliable, right? So in the internet we can find a lot of things, but some of them are fake, some of them are over is it's misinformations are there, right? So I believe this channel, that videos are mostly backed by research papers, right? So we can uh, rely them. So to some extent, I won't say that everything is perfect. Something, okay. I deleted some of them low quality videos. I used to upload videos telling about innovations that are listed in the uh, Kickstarter, that kind of crowdsourcing websites, Indiegogo, like that. But many people were complaining about it. Some people are just cheating the people to collect money. Even they may not be having the like a very simple prototype of their innovation, what they are claiming as innovation. Okay, but they used to collect a lot of money, and then they finally they used to say that okay, this innovation is not successful, like that. Okay, but what people are saying that they are doing it intentionally. Okay, so I used to avoid that kind of stuff now. Okay, uh, uh, actually, even if they are having research papers, still it may not be viable product, right? So there is no guarantee about like uh, quality or like reliability of the video. But what I'm trying to say is, comparing to most of the other channels, I'm just taking more care to filter the innovations. Okay. uh, so mostly I'm filtering based on the research papers, and I'm just cross checking with various other websites. Okay. But still, there may be possibility for seeing some low quality stuff. Okay. So I'm just trying to avoid those things. This kind of live discussions are for encouraging the subscribers to report that kind of stuff. So if you find any kind of thing, just go through the list of innovations mentioned in the ebook, and if you find it, if you find any innovation is not good, just let me know. I will go through it, and I may be removing it if I find it suitable to be removed. Okay. And like uh, if you don't want to download the ebook, even you can go through my blog post. Okay. In the blog post itself, I listed that innovations. I mean the video link, telling about the innovations. Okay. But there won't be much detail in the blog post, but in the ebook I have provided some summary information about them. Okay. So just you can go through it, and let me know if you find any irrelevant stuff there. Okay. um, let me check whether audio is good or something. I'm not getting any feedback right now, so I'm just going through it. One second. Okay, it seems audio is good only. Okay, I will continue. But the thing is, since the users are not there, no one is giving any feedback about the audio. Okay. Okay, let me just continue with that my talk. Okay, and then finally we can have a discussion. Okay. So my plan is, as I said, first I would like to uh, get more relevant viewers to my channel. Okay, that is my key priority. And next thing is, I would like to have a continuous interactive discussion with them frequently, so that I can understand them better. And then I would like to invite experts to talk through my channel, so that they can share their experiences and knowledge with my channel viewers. So basically, I'm just trying to develop a platform for connecting the people. Okay. So as a first step, I'm using this channel, and then as a next step, I'm using my ebook. Okay. So so I would like to create like quality content for the ebooks. Okay. um, Actually, a few months back, I tried to invite co-authors for creating content for my ebook, but that initiative was not successful. So I'm just holding that plan. Maybe in the future, I can explore it further. Um, so through the ebooks, I believe we can reach more people, and it will be useful for promoting this channel also. Okay. And recently, everyone is talking about Chat GPT, other kind of things, right? So I am planning to explore that option also to promote my uh, channel. Okay. So maybe I would like to create a chatbot for discussing about emerging technologies. Okay. That I will be doing step by step. Okay. uh, and another thing is, I'm just trying to focus on my motivational course website, the course content also. So but before doing that kind of stuff, I would like to know about the audience better. Okay. So if everyone is willing to watch only the science and technology news videos, mostly I will be focusing on that. If I'm getting different opinions, I'll be exploring other stuff. Okay. I already I put a poll for the community for that kind of questions in the community tab, but it's it is like not getting much exposure. So I thought of directly talking through the live session. Okay. So I'm trying to have more like connection with the viewers, and then I will be taking next steps. But I won't be changing it immediately, right? Because right now I'm earning most of the earnings are coming from trending topics videos only. I won't be suddenly stopping that kind of stuff. Okay, so I will be just balancing the things based on the feedback. Okay, if more people are very much interested in only the science and technology news videos, mostly I will be just reducing the trending topics, that kind of content. Okay, but I will be doing it. But as I said, I will be like my weightage or focus. I will be balancing based on the feedback. Okay, and uh, other thing, like I'm planning a lot of right, like QPT talk session. Okay, and I talked to some people. Okay, but I couldn't spend time to arrange the discussions. Okay, so maybe first of all we can have this kind of live sessions. Okay, so then we can move into that QPT talks. But I already arranged some QPT talks sessions, and you can check the QPT talks playlist. Okay, some of them are useful. Okay, and other than that, I'm just adding my own talks into that playlist. Okay, as of now. But in the future, I'll be uh, uh, focusing more on like inviting guests, experts in various fields. Okay, and that is what my plan about this channel. Okay, so I will be able to take further decision based on the feedback. Okay, so right now I'm just noticing that this live is not recommending to many people, so obviously I'm not getting any feedback right now. Okay, so maybe if you're watching it in the offline later, once the live ended, just share your thoughts through the comment section. I will be going through it, and I can like act on it. Okay, but uh, um, I'm just trying to start out why my videos are not recommending to the people. Even this live video is not getting recommended to the persons, right? Maybe I'm just thinking about the main reason is uh, there are I'm just switching the content, right? um, Previously I focused on software development, testing, that kind of information. Then I uploaded some motivational quotes videos, now I'm focusing on science and technology, emerging technologies video. So it's continuously my focus is getting switched, right? That may be the reason, but these days I'm just giving more importance to science and technology news videos, particularly innovations in emerging technologies. Okay, so I'm just going that direction. So I would like to discuss with my subscribers in detail about it. Okay, and even the emerging technologies, I would like to know whether I need to focus on artificial intelligence or graphene, that kind of topic level feedback I would like to get. Okay, but in any case, as I said, it is just for getting overview about the um, mindset of the subscribers, right? But I will be mainly from my perspective, I will be uh, I will be exploring various emerging technologies fields, right? As is said previously, I'm not expert in any field. Okay, so my role is like just going through or explore all the emerging technologies fields, and try to understand what is happening in that, and give it to other people, so that other people can understand about uh, what is happening in related fields. Okay, why I'm telling this particularly is it is very very important. Okay, so for example, these days everyone is talking about video, YouTube videos, right, or any kind of video. So all the content we are consuming as video. Previously we used to read books, and then we used to go through websites and mobile apps. Now mostly everyone is willing to consume the content as a video, right? So basically video is like dominating these days, right? The reason is we have all the relevant technologies. Just uploading video is not enough, right? We have to have an option to watch the videos. So the mobile technology, internet, they are required to support that, right? So similarly, mobile cameras are required to create a lot of content for video platform, right? So we will be able to see the full spectrum growth whenever we have relevant fields are getting improved, right? Actually, this thing I used to explain with one example. That we today everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, AI, right? But AI algorithms, the mathematical algorithms, were like developed many years back, right? Even in the year like in the 1990s, many researchers were trying to, even some companies were trying to commercialize that, okay, by creating a simple AI applications. But all the efforts were failed because that time they didn't have enough computing power, hardware power for running that kind of AI algorithms. But these days we have sufficient power, so that AI algorithms are getting commercialized. Okay, now we are seeing a lot of AI applications. Whenever we type something, we use AI based grammar checking, and a lot of stuff, transcription. In everyday life we started seeing the AI applications. Okay, uh, even for photo capture. So a lot of things you might have uh, noticed, right? So but still they're evolving, and whenever the researchers are able to create specific AI hardware, and very general purpose AI thing, and if the innovations are moving forward in that direction, we will be seeing a lot of uh, like uh, uh, huge growth in that. Even we can say that major change in our lifestyle also. Okay, that's the thing. What I'm trying to say is, if we want to see growth in particular domain or field, uh, research is happening on that field, that are not enough. Okay, we need to know what is happening in related technologies also. Okay, so the scientists may not be having enough time to know about those things, right? So we cannot spend all our time in all the stuff, right? So people like myself can do that kind of stuff. So what is happening in every field, and I can just pick up the most significant, and uh, I'm just using various parameters. I don't have enough skills to do everything myself, but I'm just something like search engines, right? I'm just exploring various stuff, and using various parameters, like whether that innovation is highlighted in reputed journals, or what the social media like Reddit people are talking about it. So I could understand the impact of any innovation based on that thing, because I'm doing it for many years, right? So I'm just getting some kind of understanding about impact of any innovations, whether it will be commercialized, what are the bottlenecks, like but I don't know exact thing, but I could understand something. So I can highlight about that stuff in my channel, and other people from other domains can come to know about it. Okay, so if they are really interested, they will go through research papers and other related stuff. But my channel purpose is to give some overview about it. Okay, so I believe my ebook initiative will be helpful. So that ebook, I haven't arranged the innovations in any kind of category stuff. I just randomly put it, because from my perspective, it is very difficult to I cannot say difficult, but it's not appropriate to do that, because uh, as I said, each and every innovation is involving various technologies and fields. Okay, so I don't want to like uh, put it in any particular topic. Okay, but if it is necessary, I'll be just trying to do it in a maybe I have to explore how to do that. Okay, but I will be doing it if it is really necessary. But as a first step, I'm just listing all the innovations in a random way. Okay, but personally, I believe that it will be useful, so that people can understand what is happening in other fields also. Okay, um, and other than that ebook, I published a ebook for sharing my online money earning experiences. It is free ebook. You can download it from Smashwords, and I provided the link in the community tab. You can check the community tab. Okay, and other than that, I added more content to my motivation from the course.net, that ebook, and added new chapters, and I- even that book also available for free download at Smashwords. Okay, actually, previously I listed it in Amazon, but after correcting the or updating the content, Amazon is not allowing to accept that. They're saying that the title is not uh, acceptable. I think, I don't know the reason. Okay, but I don't want to spend more time on doing that kind of stuff, so I just published it through Smartwords. Okay, and interestingly, Smartwords is providing option to make it free. In the Amazon, we can do it for a few days only. For in that case also, we have to make it available in the KDP Select program. That means it should be exclusive. In that case, should not I shouldn't be able to like uh, sell it through other channels like my website or any other publishers. Okay, so it's a exclusive sales. Okay, so that kind of constraints are there. Okay, so I think better I can make it available for free through this Masswords thing. Okay, but I don't know whether they will be promoting it or not. Okay, so anyway, I'm just like uh, mentioning the link in through my channel, through my blog, other social media accounts like Twitter. Okay, but let me check whether it is giving any kind of exposure. Okay, and if it is not giving exposure, I'll be exploring other ways to promote it. So basically, that is for promoting the coach.net website. Actually, in that website, I provided a lot of information. Okay, uh, like initially, I set up that website for sharing the motivational quotes of famous authors and leaders. Okay, actually, we added lot of information. Okay, lot of quotes, and step. Uh, so once it's saturated, I can say that almost saturated. You can find any kind of course from a lot of authors. Okay, then I thought of adding motivational stuff. Okay, so we created a subdomain motivation.thecourse.net. There you can find a lot of information. Okay, related to motivation. Okay, recently I added some blog posts. Okay, about sleep and other stuff. But, apart from that, many guest post people they contacted me with their content, so I allowed them to post it. But right now, I'm not having any option, any plan to accept any further guest posts. Okay, because I don't have enough time to go through all the content and review it. Because of the chat GPT other stuff, anyone can create a lot of information, right? So I don't have any time and skills to check whether it's a good content or something. Okay, so I just shared my thoughts through that. And apart from that, already we have added a lot of posts there. Most of them are useful. I won't say that they're that much useful something. Okay, but just for keeping yourself positive, you can just go through that kind of articles whenever you have time, right? So that is what about that next book, motivation from the course.net, that book. And another book, I shared my experience about earning money online. Okay, that also available for free, as I said previously. There I uh, talked about my freelancer job experiences and my experience of running a small IT company. Okay, and about running YouTube channel. Okay, so if you have any questions related to that stuff, here you can ask it here. I may be um, answering them. Okay. Uh, if you have any questions, you can just ask me. And any questions? As I said, it's a general QA. Okay. Uh, I'm just I will be waiting for some more time because I understand that uh, YouTube is not recommending this video. So okay, one person said, "Hey, H7 Opal." Okay, may I know your name? How can I ask call you? Actually, I'm seeing your comments in many videos. Okay, so thanks for your comments. May I know your name, or if you don't want to tell the name, okay, that's okay. What is your interest and what kind of information you are willing to watch in this channel? Okay, thanks. Thanks, Jake. Okay, okay. What kind of videos we are expecting from this channel? Whether you are expecting science and technology news videos here, or quotes, motivational quotes, that kind of stuff, or any trending topic, or actually you are trying to um, whether you are new to this channel, or you're following it for many years. Actually, as okay, okay, thanks for your reply. Okay, science and technology news of any subject. Okay, so actually, I'm just trying to do that. Slowly, I'm making it as a science and technology news channel. Okay, but the thing is, right now, you might have noticed, right, that science and technology news videos, that views are only around 100 views, like that only it's getting, right? So time being, I'm just like using trending topics videos to earn money from this channel. Okay, but my primary focus will be science and technology news. From that community tab post also, I understand that many people are interested in science and technology news. um, but still I don't understand why it's not getting views. Maybe one thing, I need to improve my news delivery quality. Okay, so that I will be taking steps in the coming days. Another thing is that YouTube is not recommending that a video. Okay, so for that I'm taking the initiative of publishing this ebook. I hope the ebook will be giving some exposure, and if many people are visiting to my old videos through the ebook, I believe YouTube will start recommending science and technology news videos to the people. Okay. Um and other things, I think most of my subscribers may not be interested in science and technology news, because more than 60,000 subscribers are there, right? What I understand is they are inactive, it seems. So whenever I ask feedback or comments, most of the people are saying that they're interested in science and technology news videos, but in reality, science and technology news videos are not getting views. Okay, so my understanding is my some of my most of my subscribers are not interested in that thing, but from all that my analysis, they are mostly inactive. Okay, so we can now just ignore that part. Okay, uh, let me come to the conclusion. So, mm, some or most of my subscribers may not be interested in science and technology news, but they are inactive. So we can just rule out that part. So a few people are active, so they are interested in watching science and technology news videos. So I will be giving more importance to science and technology news videos. Okay, so that is what I understand as of now. Maybe in the future, I may be changing my views based on further feedback or further data I collect. Okay, so for primary thing, I will be focusing on science and technology news videos, and in that case, one thing is I'm just uploading science and technology videos from press releases from various universities and organizations. Another thing is again latest news about any like trending topics related to science and technology. Okay, but we are having a lot of other channels reporting that kind of stuff. Okay, so I would like to give more importance to solid innovations researches happening on science and technology world. Okay, but again, if I am always giving some vague kind of stuff, means I don't know whether everyone will be watching it. Okay, so I would like to do it in a balanced way. So many people suggested me I can create separate thing, one channel for emerging technologies, one channel for codes, another channel for personal stuff like that. But I don't think that that will be useful, right? uh, because I have gone through various discussions related to this thing. Okay, Reddit discussions, a lot of social media discussions related to YouTube channels, and that kind of stuff also having some kind of limitations. Okay, so we can't just the YouTube algorithm in any particular way. Okay, just we can what I'm as of now what I'm thinking, that I can leave all the things, and just I can stop doing any kind of analysis. I'll be focusing more on science and technology news videos, and I understand that few people are very active in watching that kind of videos. Okay, so I will be continuously interacting with my audiences, subscribers, through this kind of live discussions, and then I'll be trying to uh, uh, like take next steps. Okay, I believe that will be uh, useful for me to get overall picture about what is happening with my channel. Okay, because I fully decided to put all my focus on my channel. So I'm just looking it as a business. Okay, so I need to do it in a proper way. and I would like to invite the experts to talk on this channel. Okay. So if anyone is interested, just you can contact me. And apart from ebook promotion and like um, paid promotion for this channel, I would like to explore other options also. So if you have any um, like uh, any suggestions, any ideas about promoting this channel, you can just let me know. Okay, I will be exploring it, and if it is suitable, I will be implementing it. So what the overall thing is, I would like to fully focus on software, switching from software development into this kind of science and technology news video. Not only video, science and technology platform. Okay, content platform kind of stuff. I'm just switching, but I don't know where to start and how to do it properly, because uh, initially I thought about this channel, but I tried various things. Even I'm just putting a lot of efforts to upload videos continuously, but it is not getting that much exposure. So I'm exploring other options also. Okay, before completely switching to other things, I would like to do the things integrated way. Okay, so that ebook initiative will be useful, and the qpt talks will be also useful. So then based on that feedback and that growth potential, I will be exploring other things. Or actually I have a lot of plans, but I don't want to implement everything, because when I was promoting my blogs, other stuff, I tried various things. So just to by doing a lot of things simultaneously is not going to help us, right? So I'm just matured now. So this time onwards, I will be trying to do the ideas and the other initiatives step by step only. I don't want to do everything at a time. Okay. So uh, still, I'm running it for more than 40 minutes. Still, it seems YouTube is not recommending this video. So either some problem with my channel, but I talked with YouTube support team, and they just to go through all the things, and they said there is no problem with channel. You can continue this like that they mentioned. So obviously there is no solid thing. So I will be sticking on this channel. I already use the handle at QPT. So in the future, it seems that YouTube will be giving more importance to the handles. So right now my channel URL is having that lengthy word, right? Quality point tech. So that at qpt will be more memorable and easy to promote. So that's okay, the name perspective is okay. So in the coming days we can use that at qpt. Already it seems in many places uh, YouTube started implementing that. Even the title, if you put at QPT, if we click that QPT, it will be taking to uh, my channel. So whenever if you are having any channel and if you want to refer me, you can just use that QPT right now. Okay. So the naming problem got solved. So I need not start new channel just because of the name. Okay. So and the display name, as of now, I'm giving my name, because right now it's having other things also, right? Otherwise I might have changed it into tech news like that. Okay, but again the problem is if you search for tech news on the uh, like uh, YouTube search, you can find a lot of channels, hundreds of channels, even thousands of channels. Okay, so most of them are fake news, that kind. So I don't want to dilute the branding stuff. Okay, so either I have to be a huge brand to use very generic simple word, or it is better to use the personal branding. So I'll be sticking on with my name as of now, because many people are suggesting that personal branding also works for some extent. Right now, most of the time, I'm personally taking care of uploading news and doing everything, right? So as of now, there is no problem. But in the coming days, when I start implementing my expansion plans, I need to hire more people to create content and promote that stuff, right? So that time I will be exploring that option. But as of now, it's okay. And even for recruiting some people to promote my channel, and doing like arranging the QPT talks, that for that extent it's okay. Okay, maybe in this year I'll be using this name, but in the maybe as next step I will be exploring other things. Okay. um, but mostly I'll be taking step by step implementation of uh, for growth of this channel. Okay, I'm taking it very as a very serious business. Okay, and I would like to correct any kind of mistakes, and I would like to improve the quality of the video content, and I would like to get more feedback from audiences, maybe continuous interaction, even direct interaction. So if anyone living around uh, Arab, right now I am from India, Tamil Nadu, right? So anyone wanted to contact me, we can have a discussion, and any YouTube events or any kind of events we can discuss. So what I'm trying to say is, instead of just going through the press releases and just uploading videos continuously, it's not going to work out. That I understand from my past experiences. So I would like to have close connection with my audiences, not only audiences, even for my guests. Okay, I would like to talk with a lot of guests, and I would like to invite them to participate um, in the QPT talk discussions, maybe individual discussions or panel discussions. Okay, and I would like to hire some people to arrange that and promote videos. So it's so my overall plan is previously, few years back, I was doing software development business, and I spent a lot of time and effort. Actually, I talked about all the details in my ebook. Okay, I did a lot of mistakes. Okay, so I don't want to do the same mistakes when I do developing this channel. Okay, so I would like to do very slowly. I did the mistake of trying to grow my software development business quickly. Okay, I didn't have the capability at that time to handle that, but I tried to expand quickly. Okay, because I got good projects, but I didn't have the system to keep the team members. Okay, so that imbalance affected me a lot. Okay, so this time, even if I'm having opportunity for the growth, I would like to intentionally limit that opportunities. Okay, I'm not going to use everything at a time like that. So I would like to do step by step only. Okay, so but definitely I'm going to do it. So I will be arranging a lot of technical discussions and various events. Even initially, I will be participating in events, and in the coming days, I may be arranging some simple events to connect the scientists and business people. Okay, so that fundamental thing is very true. There is a huge gap between scientists and business people, and very less competition in the process of filling that gap, because not everyone will be able to do that. Not many people may not be interested in, and a lot of various parameters are there. I don't know the complete details, but for some reason it's happening like that only. I used to go through a lot of uh, uh, channels similar to myself, and they just started, and uh, they then it's faded away. Okay, so they are not putting news continuously. Okay, maybe various reason, I don't know exactly. Okay, but it's not happening. Even the corporates are also not playing role in that stuff. Okay, so I understand a solid opportunity in doing that business. Okay, it's connecting scientists and business people. So solid, there is a solid need, right? So if the innovations and researches done by scientists are reaching the end users quickly through the business people, definitely it will be very useful for everyone, right? The scientists will be getting benefited because their researches are used by many people, so they will be getting monetary benefits also. Okay, businesses there are they can improve their businesses easily because they are entering the emerging technologies or new innovations. End users they're maybe they may get the services at a lower cost or maybe any other high quality. So because of the new innovations, they will be able to get more quality products or timing or any other convenience, lot of stuff, right? So it's really useful for everyone, including myself. I will be able to earn money from that. Okay, so right now I can earn money from advertisements, and in the coming days I can explore more options. I can create a website for collaboration. I can charge for premium use something. Okay, so I don't want to do it immediately because previously I tried a lot of things when I was running software development business. I developed a very complex scripts, lot of applications, but I may be talking about in separate video. Okay, so but I tried various things. Okay, but I was not able to use them properly. So the lesson learned that time was I have to do the steps I have to take the steps very carefully, step by step. Okay, maybe for it may work for us other people in other ways, but for personally, from my perspective and suitable for myself is like I have to do these things very slowly. That's what I understand. Okay, so in that case of the channel also, I'll be doing it that way only. But still I have to do a lot of things, right? Just uploading videos and then just leaving it is not going to work out, right? Because anyone can do that, a lot of people are doing it. Okay, so we have to improve the reliability, and even I should be able to understand which innovations are reliable and which are fake, like that kind of stuff I need to understand properly. Then only I can tell it to others, right? So I had to talk with various people continuously. So I believe live sessions will be the starting point. So I will be doing it continuously. Okay, not every day, but whenever I have time, I will be just starting the live. And if any people are interested to discuss, I can discuss. And then if anyone is willing to talk through Google Meet or something, I can do it, and we can live broadcast it as a QPT talks. Okay, actually that was my initial plan about QPT talks, but many people are the timing is not. I couldn't schedule the meetings properly. Okay, and yeah, because I used to spend my time in finding new innovations and creating videos for that, right? So I will be expanding, like setting up team to help me to do that in the coming days. Okay, so maybe it can be remote team or something. Even at this time, if anyone is interested to promote my videos, you can contact me. Okay, and we can talk about in detail. So I'm just trying to take steps to improve the quality of my videos, and filtering good innovations as a first step, and then even uploading videos about them in quality way, and then making it available to the audiences. Okay, so for that I'm exploring paid promotions. Okay, but I don't know whether uh, whether my videos are worth spending money for promotion. Okay, but I will be exploring that option. Okay, uh, first of all, generally I will promote the like channel for getting subscriptions, and then if I'm able to continuously upload good quality videos, means I'll be taking steps to do the promotion of individual videos. Okay. Okay, another questions. My NASA, how are you? My NASA. Okay, thanks for asking. I am fine. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me through the chat. Do you have any specific questions? It's a general discussion. You can ask any questions. Okay, uh, I'm just trying to interact with my subscribers so that I can know them better, and then I can take my further steps based on that understanding. Okay. Okay. So that is what my plan. I have to improve my video quality. I actually quality in the sense I believe I will be able to pick up the worthy news items and extract the basic information, other stuff. But the delivery, other stuffs I need to improve. It seems. So, okay, then my NASA is saying that actually I am new to your channel. What things can I explore on your channel? Okay, thanks for asking. Okay, uh, you can go through the playlist. Okay, actually in the you can find the home page. You can find one video, right, explaining about the overview of this channel. At the description of that video I provide the playlist links. Okay, actually in this channel I'm uploading latest science and technology news videos, mostly innovations happening in emerging technologies. I used to go through a lot of uh, universities and other organizations who are doing researches. Okay, their press releases and other stuff, and then based on that I used to collect the news and then upload the videos based on their press releases. Okay, that is what I'm doing primarily. Apart from that, I used to do upload videos based on trending topics. Okay, like Google Doodles, other stuff. But they are insignificant. Okay, so my primary focus and my future focus will be on giving latest science and technology news videos, mostly not the current technologies, mostly emerging technologies like quantum computing uh, and 3D printing. I mean, currently 3D printing technologies are there, but my primary focus will be giving news about what will be happening in the coming days. Okay, so based on researches happening as of now. Okay, CRISPR gene editing, robotics, drones, uh, particularly artificial intelligence, like that. Okay, okay, got it right. So, are you full time YouTuber? Yeah, right now I am a full time YouTuber. Okay, previously I was doing software development. Okay, software development business, and before that I worked as a software developer and test automation. Okay, but right now I am a full time YouTuber. Uh, but apart from that, I used to spend some time for promoting or adding content to my websites and blogs, other stuff. And I used to uh, do some kind of development works. Okay, for my existing customers. Okay, but almost I'm closing that kind of task. Right now, you can consider me as a full-time YouTuber. Okay, I'm just spending almost most of my time uploading videos to my YouTube channel. And I have decided, actually I was doing it as a pilot based kind of thing, parallelly doing software development stuff. Okay, or any kind of freelance work. But uh, and recently I decided to put all my efforts for uh, running my YouTube channel. Okay, and I will be doing it in the coming days also. Even right now, my channel is not getting more views. Even though it's having a more significant number of subscribers, whenever I upload new videos, it is not getting views. But still, I decided to stick on to this channel, and I'm planning to do consistent efforts to fix that problem, and I hope I'll be fixing that in the coming days, and I hope that channel will be getting more views. um, I will be continuing my efforts to still achieve that. Okay, so that part is clear. I'll be behaving as a full-time YouTuber, and most of the time, it will be related to science and technology news. Maybe I can explore other options also. That is the primary reason of doing this live chat, to understand the people. But mostly I will be doing YouTube, unless I face any major problems. Because previously, 2 years back, YouTube demonetized my account. Okay, but till that time also I continued doing that. Okay, so you can consider me a full-time YouTuber. Okay. Then, all right, seems like you like tech and science, do you? Right. Okay, I like tech and science. Yes, you're right. Okay, I'm interested in technologies and science, but another thing is I'm not expert in those kind of stuff. I'm like curious about understanding what is happening. Okay, and I'm able to understand various things in vast, wide area of domains. Okay, because that is what I was doing for many years, right? So I will be able to understand what is happening in something, but I'm not expert in anything. Because I would say that when I was working in software development, at that time I consider myself as an expert as in QTB, yeah, or test automation tool. Okay, I cannot say the same thing in this emerging technologies cases. Okay, so I'm not an expert in that stuff, or even I don't understand very basic things. I'm just exploring the stuff, and I'm learning the daily to understand the stuff. Okay, but I'm interested in that, so that is why I'm able to upload I think thousands of videos in this science and technology related stuff. Okay. Okay, you have any other questions? Okay, so anyone else, any questions? Okay, so um, so it's good thing that Mainasa is saying that new to the channel. Okay, so it seems YouTube is recommending my videos to new people also. It's a good thing. I'm yeah, that I think uh, if we do our efforts continuously, that the changes will be happening, right? So I believe. Okay, no questions. Thanks. Okay. Okay. So just to, as I said, just go through the playlist. I have playlist about technology news and 3D printing, robotics and drones. That playlist. Okay. And artificial intelligence, CRISPR gene editing, and um, science related the stuff in a separate playlist. Just go through it, and if you like it, you can refer it to others. And recently I listed interesting innovations as a separate ebook. You can find it in the community tab. As of now, it's available for free. Okay, you can go through it and you can refer it to others. Okay, so thanks for your wishes. Okay, thanks. Okay, and I would like to get more feedback from others. Okay, and I'll be just continuing this discussion. So by the meantime, I'll be just talking about my understanding about uh, emerging technologies. Okay. Once any person asks question, then we can switch the topic to that. Okay. So my NASA is saying that surely check all the playlist. Okay, thanks. Okay. Uh, okay. So in case of emerging technologies, like uh, uh, so for example, CRISPR gene editing is there, right? So if it is commercialized, okay, it can make a huge impact. Okay. Uh, right now hospitals are there everywhere, right? So even some people are saying that it may not be the exact thing, but maybe exaggerated thing, but still there is some fact in it. Okay. So if that kind of gene editing becomes successful, that need for hospitals will be eliminated, right? So we can cure ourselves just by correcting our genes. So it's like the thing is, right now we have gene editing. Okay. So but uh, there is no question about it. A lot of things are happening, right? Even cloning, a lot of news we are hearing about, right? But the key thing is right now only the scientists can do that, and they need to spend a lot of time, effort, expertise, money, a lot of stuff, a lab, facilities, everything, they need it, right? But in case of CRISPR kind of gene editing, we will be able to do it very easily. It's like something similar to editing Word document. We can just edit our gene, okay, genome. Like it's just that much easy, like that many people are saying. Okay. May not be that much easy at this time, but it is evolving continuously, right? So like we can expect that kind of growth in the coming days. Okay. So if that is happening, then there is no need to have hospitals, right? And we can cure any kind of disease, especially genetic related diseases. We can easily cure it. And if the governments are approving that designer babies, then all the babies in the future will be like healthy, even before they born. They will be designed like that, right? So that will be like uh, avoiding the need to have hospitals, right? So if the baby is born without any disease, and if it is having all the immunity to handle everything, then that is a different thing, right? So uh, that kind of applications are coming into market or commercialized, means that will impact our life heavily, and it will change our lifestyle, everything, right? Similarly, artificial intelligence, that was it's already started, right? So these days we are talking about chat gbt, other things, but a lot of powerful AI innovations happening previously also. I listed a lot of that kind of innovations. You can go through it that AI playlist. Okay. But because of the marketing or some trending, and that these days many people are talking about ChatGPT. Okay. But anyway, it created some awareness about the growth of AI, right? So this is again, I can say that it's a very initial stage, because at this stage a lot of bottlenecks are there. Right now we need to do a lot of stuff for training the AI. Okay. And it should be done for each and every field separately. Okay. And it needs a lot of computing power. Okay. So again, it needs to have communication with the cloud-based or any centralized system. Okay, a lot of things are there, so the growth will be obviously very slow, and it will be very limited. Okay, but the key thing is, if you go through the videos related to AI related research or innovations in the initial stages, we can understand that new innovations like AI hardware. Okay. And even new research is happening in other domains like quantum computing, other stuff, light photonics. That stuff will be like making the AI operation very easy. Okay, and apart from that, general purpose AI also many people are talking about, right? So if that kind of stuff are happening, then definitely we will be seeing a very major shift in our lifestyle because of AI alone. Okay, uh, uh, but it's almost happening, right? Many companies, universities are showcasing their power in quantum computing. Okay, and in case of AI hardware, if they are able to do that with photonics, other stuff, then there may not be need for connecting with the cloud, other thing. Even some new innovations I heard about, stuff for operating the AI without the help of cloud. Okay, so a lot of various innovations, unimaginable innovations are happening. So if they are successful, we'll be doing seeing a lot of stuff, especially in case of self-driving cars, right? Already many companies are doing pilot basis, right? So that will make a difference. Okay, but again, it will be creating ethical problems also. Similarly, for CRISPR gene editing also, that kind of things are there. And another perspective is job uh, career or job losses. Okay, so that kind of stuff also there because of the already we started seeing, right, many companies are laying off the people. It's almost related to artificial intelligence, right? So there, even the chat GPT itself can write the program. You can ask it to write a PHP code or any kind of code. It is writing it in a few seconds, right? So why they need to recruit human developers for doing that in the coming days? Okay, so obviously, that kind of perspectives are there. So many governments are already started taking initiative of handling that. Mostly the simple suitable solution is universal basic income, right? You might have heard about universal basic income. So in that case, the governments will be providing some minimum salary for everyone, uh, all of the citizens. Okay, and people who are interested to work, they can work on their interested topic and they can do some innovative things. Okay, and they can get reward for that stuff. Okay, but their basic everyday life, that living expenditure, that will be provided by universal basic income, that scheme. Okay, so already many governments started doing pilot phase of that, and they did a lot of researches in many cities, and they are thinking that it is very useful. Okay, many people, including myself, initially was thinking that, okay, hey, how it will be useful, right? Because many people will become lazy and they may not be working, right? So the new creations and innovations will be stopped, like that. I was thinking, and many people were thinking like that only. But the research results are surprising. So actually, whenever they implemented that scheme, that productivity got increased actually. Okay, so it's a really surprising one. The analysis were saying that the reason behind that pattern is whenever people are provided with enough money for their daily needs and basic expenditure, they are not forced to do some kind of job just for the purpose of getting money, right? So they are free to do any kind of job. Okay, so that make them to focus on their passion or interested job. Okay, but human nature is everyone is willing to do some kind of activities. They are interested to prove their skills and something. So obviously they are trying to spend some time instead of spending their time on some uninterested or some boring stuff. They are able to put their timing and the efforts with their like uh, uh, interested topic or their passion, right? So obviously they will be doing a lot of extra hard work. They're spending a lot of time more than regular work hours. Okay, so the productivity is actually improved. So even they are getting money without the need for doing that work, but still they are doing it for the purpose of, for the sake of their like curiosity or their interest or passion or satisfaction or recognition, whatever it is, okay, for hours or something, okay. But they are able to do additional work, or their productivity is improved. That is what many researchers are saying, okay. So basically, maybe I agree that AI will be because of AI will be losing our job. It's a temporary problem, I think. Once the government started implementing this kind of universal basic income, even some people are talking about a robot tax. Okay, we need to provide a tax for implementing automation in any kind of businesses. Okay, so these kind of regulatory works will make it a balance way, right? So obviously, we'll be seeing the growth of AI in the coming days if everything is sorted out. Without starting out, it's very difficult to see the growth in AI, even if it is possible to do it technically. Okay, so just because of the viability of doing it, we cannot expect uh, uh, them getting implemented, right? So it needs people's support, and it needs government and regulatory approvals. A lot of other stuffs are there, okay. So AI innovations are really unimaginable. You can go through my AI playlist to understand that. Even one innovation, I forgot it, but long back I uploaded a video. That research is like, it's a from reputed university only. Just by giving the photo of any recipe, that AI will just scan that photo. I mean, just to see that photo, and it will be able to understand what recipe it is, and it can understand what are the ingredients in that recipe, and it will be able to prepare that. Okay, so that much level of innovations happening in AI. Okay, but as I said, because of regulatory things and other competition and other things, it may be taking some time to see the full benefits. Okay, and then another thing is data center usage. Okay, so AI will be benefit very useful only when it is getting trained with a lot of relevant data. Okay, so for doing that, we need a lot of computing power. We need a lot of energy for running the data centers. For creating the energy, we need a lot of like uh, uh, power plants, something which will be releasing uh, greenhouse gases, right? So we are facing a climate change problem, so it's a very very primary thing. So just assume that we are having a lot of innovations and a lot of technologies, everything, but we are not able to control the climate change problem, then obviously there is no use of doing that, right? Like, first of all, we need to address that problem. If our earth is stable, then only we can do stuffs on that, right? So in the coming days, that climate change yeah, related innovations will be getting more exposure. Okay, recently even Elon Musk was talking about carbon capture systems. Okay, so I already uploaded a lot of carbon capture innovations in this YouTube channel. You can just go through it, and um, I created a separate playlist for climate change also, so you can check that playlist. So obviously the primary focus will be related to climate change. Again, the AI running that data centers will be negative to the climate change, right? So I mean, negative to the environment. So it is affecting our environment. So that kind of control also there. Okay, but the thing is, we can make it as a positive also because of the AI. With the help of AI, I mean, with the help of AI, we can run our a lot of systems effectively. By doing that, we'll be able to uh, reduce the greenhouse gases. Okay, already Google was doing it. I uploaded a video about it. They used the power of AI to fine tune their operations, and then they are able to save significant energy, and obviously it is helping to mitigate the climate problem. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is a lot of potential emerging technologies are there, but without solving the climate change problem, there is no use of putting more effort on that. Okay, so the priorities are getting changed continuously. Okay, so for example, if you are doing some kind of software and you are just working on to develop or improve the performance of that, and at the same time, if any hardware is coming with a lot of huge power with very very inexpensive price, obviously there is no need to fine tune your software, right? The hardware or any kind of hardware will be taking care of the stuff. So it's all depending on the related researches, related domains. Okay, similarly, a lot of new computing power, especially quantum computing, photonics related stuff, they're evolving, right? So that will completely fine tune the existing jobs. So if anyone is doing performance tuning of any kind of application, they need not be doing that if we are able to develop a powerful hardware system infrastructure. Okay, and similarly, the climate change also, if we are able to do the carbon capture effectively, so again we need not worry about uh, like uh, uh, carbon emission, right? So it's like all are dependent. Okay, actually that is the key point I'm trying to project by telling my channel, right? So I am trying to play that role. So all the things are dependent. Okay, but the scientists and the business people, they will be focusing on their core domain or their activities, right? They may not be aware of what is happening on the other stuff, right? So someone is doing a fine tuning a application to reduce the workload, and even assume that they are very expert and they are doing it very hard and innovative way, that won't be much useful or significant if we are able to provide a hardware with a very very powerful capacity. Okay, right? So it's actually happening. So it's happening, the researchers are happening. Okay, and similarly, that uh, quantum computing also, that also will change a lot of stuff. Okay, and as is explained, to handle these kind of negative impacts of these innovations, we need to find solution like universal basic income. Okay, and regulatory needs to be properly done, right? uh, so that is what I understand by going through all the innovations. Okay, so by continuously checking these kind of innovations, I'm able to connect the happenings in various fields. Okay, I don't know whether the people who are focusing on particular domain will be having that kind of exposure, because everyone is having limited time, right? So we cannot do everything right. Everyone is like we cannot be doing everything perfectly, right? So uh, my channel will be useful to give some exposure, but as I explained previously, it may not be accurate, it may not be correct. Okay, because I'm not in that research field. Okay, but uh, I'm doing it as there is a need of doing that, right? Because there is a need, there is no competition, so I am able to do that with some kind of minimum quality. So I will be fine tuning it further, and I will be making it as uh, like uh, like central place for discussing about any kind of innovations and any cross developments. Okay, so I would like to get support from of everyone. First of all, to get more views to my channel, and getting uh, review, uh, like comments, and then again uh, for I mean, for giving feedback. So it's a continuous process, right? Okay. Another question is there income tax in India? Income tax, I mean, you're asking for YouTube earnings, right? So for any kind of earnings, it is there, right? So similarly, it is there for. Okay. Any other questions? If you're asking about income tax, it is available, but okay. Is question is there income tax in India? So you assume that it is for YouTube, right? So YouTube, as I said, it's a income tax means it's a tax on income, right? So it's basically irrelevant of from where you are getting, right? Except something like agriculture, other thing. So standard things. But other than that, from business perspective, it's applicable only. So any questions? Yeah, actually, another thing is, since you are talking about tax, actually, I had a lot of other plans also. Like, I was thinking about running online business because I'm getting some kind of viewers, right? Instead of just running advertisements, I thought of running my own e-commerce portal, something, because I am having a lot of experience from software development also, right? Testing other stuff. So I thought it will be relevant for me, but because of the formalities in our work record for uh, doing GST, other stuff. I just hold that thing. But in the future, I would like to do work with other people who are interested to spend time on that. Actually, I explored a lot of things. Okay, and then for some reason, or maybe reason may be very simple, but I just put on hold those things. But instead of continuously doing like that, what I'm trying to do is like I can mentor other people based on my experiences who are willing to spend more time on doing that. Okay, and I can get some revenue share from that. Like that, I'm just exploring, but not immediately. For example, even simple thing, if someone is willing to if they are having enough time to promote my videos, I can explore like a revenue split between both of us, right? So that kind of stuff, I can train them how to promote and how the Google AdWords is working, like that. So or any scientist, if they are interested to commercialize their innovation, and if they are willing to popularize the innovation, I can guide them how to develop websites, and how to, what are the best way. Anyone can easily do that, right, these days. But what are the best practices based on my experience? I can explain them how to do that, and I can teach them how to do the um, Google AdWords fine tuning, and to uh, run campaigns, like that. So whatever experiences I'm having, I can share them, and then they can do as a business, and I can get revenue share. Need not be in the money. I can get traffic from them. They can suggest or recommend their audiences to visit my channel, or whatever uh, uh, link I am preferring to receive viewers, right? So say for example, recently I published ebook. At this time, I am willing to get viewers to my ebook, so that when they buy the ebook, they can obviously get to know about my channel. So that will be better introduction, right? So obviously, in the next initiative, I'll be trying other stuff. So uh, that I'm just trying to do the things based on win-win approach. Need not be money involving there. a win-win approach. Or even if someone is willing to do a full-time business, and if they need my guidance, or if they want me to share my experiences, I can guide them based on my either by revenue sharing, or like time, like hourly basis payment. So but these are the things. But again, I'm not successful in doing any kind of business. But I explore a lot of things. Okay, I can discuss with them, and then I can guide them. So with their expertise in any particular field, they will be able to succeed. Okay, that is what my plan. So obviously, what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get more relevant viewers to my channel. My primary focus will be this channel only. Okay, but by helping others to grow in their business, I will be uh, getting returns as new subscribers, new viewers for my channel. That is what my plan, initial plan. Okay, but if everything is going smoothly, if someone is willing to do a long term business tie-up, we can explore. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm the a new beginning of new level of business. Previously, in the year 2008, I started my software development company called Divine Technologies. Okay, I tried many years running that, and we got a lot of good projects, and even we developed our own products, and we are able to hire good people, and we train them best. Okay, but still, I won't say that it's a perfect thing. Okay, so we were able to do something, and it's like we can consider in one way we can consider a successful thing only. Okay, as a first time entrepreneur, I'm really enjoying that thing. Okay, but ultimately, from monetary perspective, from business scale, it's not successful, right? um, so obviously, it's a failure. Okay, so overall, so I don't want to do the same mistakes again. But in other words, I don't want to just stay like that. So I don't want to get defeated by the failures. Okay, so again, I want to take the steps. I want to reinitiate my initiatives. Okay, so I want to uh, do the stuff, but instead of focusing on software development, because software development already heavily saturated, even the bots are writing software these days, right? So instead of doing that, I would like to put my full focus on this channel only. Okay, I will be exploring various ways. As a first step, I am planning to use it for science and technology news. Okay, but I will be exploring other things also, tutorials, that stuff. I'm just exploring. Okay, so but I believe yeah, that the channel is having a lot of opportunities. Um, and I need to make use of it properly. Right now, I feel that I'm not using it properly, because even I'm not doing the live regularly. Right? Actually, I tested doing live sessions many times, and I thought of doing it, but haven't done. I'm not doing it frequently. But I need to do a lot of live sessions. Then only I will be able to understand the audiences, and even the thought process of myself will be improved, instead of just blindly thinking about my plans. It is better to have a discussion with other people also, right? So I'll be doing that, and I will be improving the quality of my videos, and I'm trying to upload more videos. And based on your feedbacks, I will be removing, or I will be stopped uploading any kind of low quality videos. Okay, and again, the key thing is I need to do a lot of promotion to get relevant viewers to my channel. Okay, so that is what my primary aim. If I'm doing it successfully, then obviously I can do the next steps easily. Okay, I can hire even. Um, I can outsource video creations, stuff. Lot of steps I will be able to do that, right? So first step, I need to do with a lot of hard work. um, so I believe my recent ebook will be helping to um, achieve that. So uh, uh, if you are interested to read that ebook, you can check the community tab of that this channel, and you can find the ebook download link. As of now, it is free. You can just share it with others. uh, so as I said, my primary focus is not earning money from ebooks. Okay, so that I'm trying to use the ebooks as a way of spreading or promoting this channel. Okay, but this is first step. Again, in the next thing, I am planning to do the ebook business also as a actual business. Okay, but again, related to emerging technologies, I would like to create a lot of ebooks about emerging technologies. Not only ebooks, maybe printed books also. Uh, if I we can test with the ebooks, and if something is working good, we can make it as a printed books. Okay, I believe it will be giving more exposure. Actually, my first ebook, software testing and qpt automation, I published many years back, and it was selling very quickly, and therefore I created printed version also sold very good. It was surprising because that book was quality was very very average. I know that even from review comments also we can easily understand that. But there was a demand because that qtp automation that time, it's a very demanding automation tool. There were no competition that time. Okay, only very few books were there. So I was able to earn money from that. Okay, that is different perspective. But right now my primary focus is for using the ebook for promoting this channel. So um, uh, I will be promoting that ebook, and from that I can get more audience for this channel. But again, what whenever I am telling audience, like I am just telling about target audiences, for improving the subscribers numbers, everything that is very easy. If I am I know that because previously I uploaded a lot of interesting videos. Because of that, I got a lot of subscribers. If I am start doing that, I can again increase the number of subscribers. But I am not interested in the subscriber count. Okay, I am interested in active interactive people who are really interested in understanding science and technology news. But again, since already a lot of people are joined as subscribers, and still I can expect more people who are not interested in science and technology, because I'm continuing uploading the google doodle, that kind of trending topics, right? So again, I will be creating or uploading some kind of common videos also. Okay, but my primary focus will be on latest science and technology news videos. But apart from giving latest science and technology news videos, I would like to create some videos telling about facts and fundamentals, explaining fundamentals about physics, chemistry, that kind of basic sciences. Also, I would like to work on it. Okay, and even in the latest technology also, some fundamental facts or fundamental things like what is 3D printing, that kind of stuff. What is quantum computing, how it's going to impact our world, uh, that kind of what is qubit, like uh, some fundamentals, instead of just giving latest news or innovations. Apart from that, I would like to give the fundamentals, then only we can easily understand the innovations, right? If someone is watching my channel continuously, and if they're not aware of fundamental things, and it's not like it's very useful, right? Just by watching innovations. So for understanding the innovations and the new research, it is important to understand the fundamental things. Okay, um, and I forgot to mention about solar power, right? So that also very very uh, fast growing stuff. So I created a playlist for solar panel, also solar related technologies, and perovskite, that material science is nanotechnology. Because of nanotechnologies improvements, uh, that nanotechnology is affecting all the fields, right? So the fundamental of nanotechnology is that whenever we go the nano scale level, small size particles, like obviously that not obviously, interestingly, I mean, that properties physical are the basic physics of that matter is completely different from normal sized objects, right? So that enables us to do a lot of things, even the medical field, nano devices. Actually, many people are continuously commenting, they're giving feedback to upload more videos about nano devices, right? So that are very huge, right? um, the nano generators, like lot of stuff, if we are able to open the real potential of that technology, it's a very huge thing. So actually, graphene, that kind of materials is also part of that, right? So there, like most of the properties of that kind of materials are unimaginable. Metamaterials, we were able to create materials based on our own needs, right? AI, other steps are helping that. So it's a interconnected development. Okay, so metamaterials, other steps, like basically material science is evolving these days. um, Other technologies are helping them to evolve quickly. Okay, so uh, I would like to give some fundamental details about them. Okay, um, so if we understand the things, then only we can understand any kind of news videos easily, right? But I'm just trying to give the fundamental things in the news video itself based on the press release. Mostly press release, in the press release, that organizations will be giving some fundamental behind the innovation. But if we are very clear about the fundamentals, then it will be very easy, right? Like starting from the basic physics, basic rules, that stuff, that will be definitely useful. A lot of other channels are there, okay, but in an interesting and simple way, I would like to provide. Okay, but for doing that, first of all, I would like to learn about them, because I too don't understand a lot of basic stuff. Okay, whenever I try to upload new videos about any innovations, I used to learn about the basics. Okay, but just by doing that, actually, I'm doing it for thousands of videos, right? So now I'm familiar with something. Okay, but still, I need to learn a lot of stuff. Maybe I can create that kind of videos. But again, the view problems will be always there, because a lot of um, large scale channels are providing a lot of information. So if I am creating new videos and don't know whether they will be getting views, okay. In other words, I don't know whether my time spent on that will be worth. Okay, so I need to do take balance action, right? So a lot of ideas are there, and various things I need to consider. Okay, so temporarily, uh, just I mean, as of now, I'll be continuing my current stand. Like I will be giving more focus on science and technology in his videos, and I will be continuing other stuffs also. But the key changes, I will be doing a lot of live discussions, maybe through YouTube or in real time, real in person discussions, or any event based discussions. So I will be getting close with more close with the uh, other stakeholders, like my viewers and guests, and other scientists who are providing the press releases. Okay, um, so that is what my plan. Okay, um, And if you have any suggestions, feel free to add that in, mention that in through the comments. Mostly, I will be keeping this live as an offline video also. So that time I'll be checking that. Okay, because the live only few people joined, right? So I'm not able to get the feedback here, but I hope I can get more information through the comment section. Okay, and you can check my Twitter or other stuff to give the feedback, or even you can contact me through email ID rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. You can find it in the about section. Okay, uh, and that is what I have for today. Maybe in the coming days, we can have very clear discussions and with more audiences. Because without discuss questions, I'm just talking, right? So it's not good practice. Okay, so I will stop here. Okay, thanks. Bye.